So oxygen is initially manufactured at an ASU, which is an air separation unit, that basically takes in atmospheric air and separates out the gases, the components of that air, by a process of distillation. So it'll take out oxygen and nitrogen primarily, and then in the other gases, they'll be stored as liquid. That liquid oxygen will then be certificated as a medical product once it's been cleaned, and then that will be delivered to our production facility in a bulk tanker. We will then run that through our processes, turn it back into a gas, and then we will also analyse that gas to check for pharmacopoeia to make sure that it's still compliant with to be a medicine, and then we will produce certificates for that, and it will get signed off by our QPs for release to market. So the purity of medical grade oxygen is a minimum of 99.5% pure oxygen. And then we also measure for carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and moisture levels as well. And they all have set limits that they have to meet, the gas has to meet to be able to pass as a medical grade gas. So that's the difference between a medical grade gas and say an industrial gas, is that we're working specifically to pharmacopoeia, and our products are all monitored through their life cycle for any adverse reactions and things like this, because it's a licensed product.